Next, come to the appearance, and here you can see themes. So click here on the add new button. Here you can see lots of themes that you can use to create different kind of website, and here you can see the themes available for different categories. You can select any of these. I will select the specific theme. I will search Astra, and here is the theme that I'm gonna use. So just click on the install button. After installation, click on activate, and now this theme is active. Let me come to the website again, and if I refresh, you can see something different layout right now, but still we need lots of customization on this website. So we will come back to the dashboard, and in the left side you can see here we have Astra options. Click here. Here you can see install importer plugin. So it will import the demo content on our website. So let me click on this link. Here it is asking which page builder you want to use. So I will select Elementor. Here you can see lots of template which is ready to install on your website to create a beautiful website, and it is available in different categories. So you can create different categories of website. If I am scrolling, you can see we have different type of demo contents over here. So I will select any of this. So let me select this one restaurant template. I'll click on this button, import complete site. Then select this checkbox and click on import button. So it will import the demo content on this website. It may take time according to the internet speed. Now it has been imported. Click on this link to view our web page. So now you can see we are on the localhost/my site, and we have beautiful contents over here. It looks very good. Now let me scroll this web page, and we have all the segments here. I have imported the restaurant website content. You can install any one that you want to create. If I go to the another page, let me click on menu, and here we have the another page. It is also very nice. You can see very good effect when I move cursor. Let's go to the another page, and here we have the about page, and let's click on the contact. So this is the contact page. On this page we have this map and contact form and some contact information. So it was very easy to import the demo content on our website. Now the next thing is to change the content and customize this website according to your requirement. So let's come back to the dashboard, and here we will click on the pages. On this page you can see we have the page called home. So let's click here, edit with Elementor. I will open this page in new tab. So right now you can see our home page is here, and we can edit this page. So suppose I want to edit this text. I'll just click here, and I can replace the text. In this left side you can see this text, so I'll write another text. So now you can see the text has been replaced. Similarly, we can replace the other content also. Let me change this one, so I'll write another text. Let me change the third text also, so it will be good food, good life. Suppose I want to change this background image, so let's come to the top and click here on this dot, then click on style, and here you can see we have this image. So let's click here and upload a new image, or you can select the image from the image library. from Pixabay. So search the image name by the category or tag or anything. So I will search for food. So I'm getting the images related to the food. You can select any of these image to add on your website. Let me click on this one. If you want to use this image, just click on Save and Insert. And now you can see the background image has been replaced. Then click on the Update. And let's refresh the home page. And you can see new text and new background image. Similarly, if I'll scroll this web page, and here you can see we have some other text that we can easily edit. Simply click here and replace the image, click here and replace the text. Let's scroll down and we have this text here. I can replace like this, and let's scroll down. So all the things are similar. We can replace the things according to our requirement. Let me close this homepage editor. I will come back to the dashboard. And under this appearance, click on Customize. Now click on Header and click on Site Identity. Here you can replace the site logo. So let's click here, change logo, and here you can upload a new logo from your computer. I'll select any of the existing image. So let me select this one for a demo purpose. Click on this one and you can see the image has been replaced on the place of logo. Let me change it back. I'll leave the same image. Here you can replace your logo and click on Publish. Let's come back and I'll come back to this page and click on Global, then click on this one. And here you can change the colors on your web page. Let's come back again and click on typography, then click on this one, and here you can change the font family. Just come back and click on button, and here you can change the color of the buttons. You can also change the hover color. Let me come back. Now let me close this one and come to the dashboard. Here click on menu under the appearance. Here you can see we are in the primary menu, and let me come to the home page and you can see we have the home menu, about us and contact. So we want to change this one. So let's come back, and in this left side you can see all the pages. We can drag this one to change the order. Let's click on this one, view all, so it will show all the pages. Let me select this one, then click on add to menu, and you can see the sample page has been added here. You can change the order like this. We can change the name also. So here I will write new page, then click on save menu. After that, if I refresh the web page, you can see home, contact, about us, new page and menu. So this is how you can add a new menu in this navigation bar. Let's come back and I'll add another link. So click on this custom link. Here you can add one URL. So let me add HTTPS and I'll add PayPal. And here I will add text donate. Add this. Now it has been added. Let's refresh the web page. And you can see this donate link on this navigation bar. So this is how we can set up the navigation menu. Now if you want to change this button, just come back and click on customize again. And now click on header, then click on primary menu, and here you can change the menu text and link. So I'll change it to book now, and I'll change the link. I will link this page, contact page. So let me copy the URL and paste it here and click on publish. If I refresh the web page, and you can see this button book now. If I click here, it will open the contact page. Let's come back to the dashboard again. And here you can see post, where we can add blog post on our website. For that, just click on add new, close this pop-up, and here you can write the title of the blog post. Let me write blog post 1 title and description. I will paste it again, and we can change the format also. Let me reduce this text and I will change it as quote. Let's select these text, and here I'll make it as italic. Let me come to the other paragraph and I'll make it as headings like H3. Now in the other paragraph, I'll change the lines like this. And if you want to make it as a list, you can select like this. Then click here, then click list. That's it. So this is how you can format the post. In the right side, you can see this featured image. Click on this one and add one image. So let me select any of the image from the library. I will use this image. Then click on set featured image. After that, you can add one category. Click here and you can click on add new category and add category for your blog post. So it is food. Then click on this button. After that, you can click on publish. We have published this blog post, but right now it is not visible on this website. So we have to add one link somewhere where it will display the blog post. So for that, we will come back in the dashboard and click on pages, and here click on add new. Here you have to write one name, so I'll write blog, then click on publish. Let's come back and then click on this ratings under settings. Here in this drop down, select blog. That's it. Then click on save changes. After adding this, come to the menu under appearance and click on view all and select the blog. Add to menu, and let me remove this one, donate, and I will remove this one also, new page. Then click on save menu, and if I refresh the web page, you can see blog link in this navigation menu. Let's click here and it will open the blog list page. So it is first blog. Let me click on this title, so it will open the blog detail. So this is the blog title and description and featured image. So this is how you can add blog post on your WordPress website. So this is how you can create a beautiful website. Any kind of website you can create by using the different themes and different demo content on your website. If you are creating this website for the business purpose and you want to make this website live on internet, then we need to get the domain name and hosting. Then we have to migrate this website from the local host to the online server. So the next step is to get the domain name and hosting.